It was a beautiful sunny day for a fun swimming pool birthday party.
I am so excited to swim with all my friends today!
Please walk slowly because the wet floor is very slippery.
Happy birthday to me! Let us go play in the water! I am a great swimmer, Mom!
You still need to wear your bright orange floaties to stay safe.
Mom carefully slid the plastic floaties onto Lily's arms.
These floaties look like 2 orange balloons.
You must promise to stay in the shallow water at all times.
I promise to listen and be a good girl.
Welcome to the pool, and remember to follow the safety rules.
The lifeguard is here to watch everyone and keep us safe. Go have fun in the shallow end with Tom. Lily splashed happily into the crystal clear shallow water.
The water feels so cool and refreshing today. Look at my cool pink swimming goggles. You look like a funny pink alien from outer space.
The two friends laughed and splashed each other in the shallow end.
I am going to get a yummy chocolate cupcake from the table. Bring me a cupcake with blue frosting, please!
Tom climbed out of the pool to find a sweet treat.
I can kick my legs super fast in the water.
You are doing a wonderful job splashing over there, Lily.
I think I am the best swimmer in the whole world.
Lily started to feel a little too confident in her swimming skills.
The shallow end is only for little babies.
No running on the pool deck, please!
I want to jump off that shiny metal diving board.
Lily stared across the pool at the dark blue deep end.
Hello, everyone. I brought extra towels for the party.
Oh, Grandpa is here. Mom turned her head to wave at Grandpa. Thank you so much for bringing the dry towels.
It is a perfect summer day for a pool party.
Mom is not looking at me right now.
Lily quietly climbed out of the shallow water.
I am big enough to swim without my orange floaties. Mom is not looking at me right now. Now I can swim fast! What are you doing over there by the deep end? I am going to do a giant jump into the deep water! But your mom said you must stay in the shallow end.
It will be perfectly fine, Tom.
Lily completely ignored the important safety rules she was taught.
Wait, where is Lily?
Lily leaped high into the air over the deep end.
Splash!
Wait, where is Lily?
Lily hit the cold, deep water and went under the surface.
She opened her big brown eyes underwater and saw nothing but dark blue.
And touch the bottom of the pool.
Lily kicked her legs hard, but she did not know how to float.
Help, I am sinking.
Without her orange floaties, she felt incredibly heavy.
The water is going in the mouth.
She popped up to the surface for one quick breath.
Mom, help me. Oh no, Lily is sinking in deep.
The lifeguard is already moving.
Lifeguard Mark saw the danger immediately. Tweet! Tweet! I am coming to get you!
I am so scared.
He grabbed his long red rescue tube and dove beautifully into the water.
Please save my baby girl.
Mark swam faster than a dolphin toward the panicking child.
I am so scared.
Mark reached Lily just as she started to sink again. Grab onto this thick red foam tube!
Mark swam them both quickly to the side of the pool.
Thank goodness.
Mom reached down and pulled a crying Lily onto the wet tiles.
I was so terrified when I saw you in the deep water.
Mom hugged her daughter incredibly tightly.
I am so sorry for taking off my floaties, Mom.
You must never swim in the deep end without an adult.
I thought I was a great swimmer.
Safety rules exist to keep you from getting hurt.
Always wear your floaties until you learn how to swim properly.
I promise I will never break the pool rules again. I am glad you did not get eaten by a pool shark. There are no sharks in the swimming pool, Tom.
You gave us all a very big fright today, little one.
Thank you so much for your heroic rescue, Mark.
Just doing my job to keep everyone safe.
Thank you for saving me with your red tube.
Maybe it is time for Lily to take real swimming lessons.
That is an absolutely wonderful idea, Grandpa. The family walked over to the sunny blue reception desk.